Okay, we're heading to Antigua, Guatemala. And according to my brochure, it says Antigua, Guatemala is located in a valley where the best coffee in the world is produced. Its unique atmosphere is an invitation for visitors to stroll along its cobblestone streets amid colonial structures. Its impressive historical value and incomparable beauty has led UNESCO to declare it a World Heritage Site. So sit back and enjoy, guys. Okay, guys, welcome to day 2 of the Guatemala tour. We got up early this morning, got on our tour van, and we're heading to the ruins. But unfortunately, the van that was supposed to take us to the ruins got into an accident with a motorbike. So now the other van that took us to our first destination dropped us off here and told us that we gotta wait. Let me show you guys what I'm doing and where I'm sitting. All right. So this is it, guys. I'm sitting in this park over here. All right. And that's the van that took us from the hotel. And basically, we were supposed to make an exchange with another van that was going to take us to the ruins. But unfortunately, that didn't work. So we're just here in this park. Karine is somewhere shooting her vlog, and I'm right here. I'm thinking maybe this is a good opportunity for me to launch the drone. Just walking over to the center of the square. I'm looking to see if there's a sign that tells you what the name of this square is. I was told that this is a very historical square. They have vendors here. Right now it's 8:19 a.m. So we're in the morning time. It feels nice and cool, you know. So we don't know when our van is gonna come pick us up. You know, now we just have to sit here and just wait for the van to pick us up, to take us to the ruins. Oh yeah. So I don't know. Hopefully the van shows up. Let's walk over to this building here. Check out this building right here, guys. That's the flag of Guatemala over there, the blue and white. The green, I don't know what flag that one is. But this is guys, let me tell you, driving on this road right here, no joke. You better have some good shocks in your car. Very nice. Very nice area. I think I'm gonna fly my drone here. I'm gonna send the drone up. Yeah, that's what I'm gonna do. All right, check you on the next scene, guys. Yeah, this place is totally surrounded by mountains and volcanoes. If you look out into the horizon, you'll see some of the volcanoes. Man, do you know that the layout of this of Antigua, Guatemala, is like a chessboard. It has all the squares of a chessboard. If you look carefully, you could see that all the buildings are all the blocks have a square in the middle where you have trees and vegetation. There is hardly any vegetation on the sidewalks. Most of the trees that you see are inside the building, like in the square, in the courtyard of the building. So all these buildings are designed with courtyards. So approaching is that church right there. It's actually the church that I'm sitting right in front of. And in a few minutes, I will give you guys just a little basic tour of the outside of the church. From this angle, you could see the square of the chessboard and how they designed the city to, to be like a chessboard. Okay, guys, I hope you enjoyed that drone flight. That was fun. It was a lot of fun, you know. And it's really good when you just get a good drone. You get a good drone and it costs you less. When you buy these little cheap drones, they just go up, all type of problems happen, and you know, it just doesn't work. And then you end up having to buy another one. This is my third drone, guys. I finally got a nice DJI. So, you know, this is good. You know what, let's walk over there. Let me take you guys over to where this big church is. Let's go take a look, a nice close look at this church. Let's see if we can go up there. I know yesterday my tour guide was telling me about I can't take pictures inside. Can't take pictures inside the church.
What?
So let's see what I can see up here. As you can see, it's a huge, huge church. And it's probably very, very old. You know. Look in the background over there. Look carefully, you see a volcano, mountain. A lot of volcano mountains over here, guys. So I don't know what the name of this church is, but as you can see, it's pretty big. And it smells like frankincense in here. It smells like frankincense. Very nice. Very, very big church. It's a very big church. Oh man, you see that? Very, very big. Wow. Huge. And it smells like frankincense in here. Yeah. It's like in these areas, right? The Catholic Church dominate in order to subjugate the minds of the people, you know, from their original traditional ways of life. So they had to make sure that they put a lot of churches here because, you know, once you get the people to think like you can control them, you know? That's what it's all about, but a lot of people don't know that. Indigenous cultures have been destroyed. All right, guys, so over there, that's where I was before. See how beautiful that park looks? Very nice. That's where we were. Very nice over there, guys. And it feels so cool over here in the shade. I really need a tour guide so I could, you know exactly what I'm looking at, you know? Very nice. All right. I will catch you guys on the next scene.
From the Maya.
Okay, guys. So what happened is we're gonna do a walking tour of this place. I'll show you my tour guide.
Oh, wait, this one wasn't active over here.
Oh, that's the smoke coming out of the volcano?
Yes, sir. And back here you can really see the smoking.
Yeah, it's not that big one. I didn't know if it was active or not.
Yes, it's active and it's the
Our
smoke.
tour guide, Roberto. He's gonna bring us around and show us everything. So this is a good thing.
The angry face of the smoker volcano you can see near to the top. That is Fuego volcano, and he's showing us the duality.
Okay.
The laughing god and the angry god at the same place.
Oh,
Here,
okay.
you see with big imagination, you can find the faces, big faces of,
Yeah.
of monsters.
Yes.
Active volcano.
Okay.
While the dormits are happier.
Okay. I could
Yes.
understand why.
Oh wow.
There are 33 volcanoes along the Pacific Ocean.
33 volcanoes around us.
And 17 are big smokers.
Oh, okay.
Oh, wow. Have any of them ever erupt?
Yes, the one you can see now having a cigar, that ashes, those ashes are
On the
not
top.
cloud.
Yeah.
That 5 years ago, 5 communities underground.
Oh,
Well, we only see the crosses on top from the cemeteries and the tourists.
oh,
This is real because it's on the way to the dock. It's on the way to the Pacific Ocean. That's why the Pacific Ocean is black and rough sand.
yes.
Oh, wow.
Okay.
It's known as the Ring of Fire, the Ring of the Fire. And it's having a little one right now. Little. Oof.
Let's hope it just stays little.
Guatemala is the country